Welcome to the module What is a Gamification Process of the MOOC Gamification in Higher Education, developed in the framework of the project Big Data for All, promoting statistics and big data through gamification and digital education, funded by the Erasmus Plus program of the European Commission. The purpose of this module is to comprehend what gamification and a gamification process is, and what their main characteristics are. It will also be explained the difference between the creation of new games and the game-based learning methodology, and the importance of gamification in the educational field. Upon completion of this module, you will be able to comprehend what gamification and a gamification process is, identify the main characteristics of a gamification process, distinguish the difference between the creation of new games and the game-based learning methodology, and understand the importance of gamification in the educational field. Throughout history, human beings have always enjoyed playing both simpler and more complex games. In addition to the pleasure and fun felt through the act of playing, games also allowed the creation of social environments, enabling the exchange of knowledge and learning, both individually and collectively. This is something that has been maintained to this day. We all learn in different ways, but it can be said that playing games is one of the most natural and effective ways to learn. In 2003, the game culture was being introduced into society, influenced the previous perspective about how to achieve different goals. So, the game and business software designer Nick Pilling coined the term gamification, which consists of applying the principles and elements of game design to achieve concrete goals in different contexts. Gamification is inspired by the most simulate elements of games, such as the elements of fun, entertainment, and competitiveness. Integrate and interlink them as a way to speed up and encourage the transmission of knowledge or other desired goal. It uses the elements as a way to improve user involvement and is used in different contexts, from health, sports, and education to business and professional development. In this sense, gamification has some defined characteristics, such as use of game design elements and mechanics, no game context, learn methods and other competence development, includes technological, psychological, motivation and fun, static and narrative elements. Gamification creates memorable experience. In the educational field, gamification essentially tries to introduce creative and innovative elements of games, with the goal of transforming a not very exciting activity into a more challenging one that motivates people to participate in order to acquire and develop skills, knowledge, and learn. If on the one hand we find more and more games being created from scratch, on the other hand we also see the adaptation of games that already exist. That is, taking those games that already exist and readapt them so that they can be used in the intended context. This is what you call game-based learning, GBL, a learning methodology that uses existing games that were not created for educational purposes. In order to finalize the module, What is a Gamification Process, you propose the following activity to put the acquired knowledge into practice. Create a word search game using the concepts that you learned in this chapter. You can use game, gamification, skills, education, player, or any other concept that you want. You can do it by yourself or using the help of a platform like EducaPlay. Now you can go to the next module of our course and learn in more details how to design a gamification process. Thank you for your attention.